So today's gonna be part 2 of the wide body install kit, or at least the rivet one, because we kind of want to do the molding, but we're gonna wait till Lalo's ready for that one. Don't ask me when he's gonna be ready, because who knows. Also, let me show you guys a couple of tools that I got and a couple new things that I might try. But yeah, let's jump right through it. As you guys can see, we kept messing up these threads, right? We kept messing up those threads. So, like again, we had to buy a new M5. Also got some of these M5 silicone rubber well nuts, just because this thing tends to always break on us. So if it breaks, at least we'll have a plan B today, right guys? We're gonna get you guys a wide body install kit today. Yo! Alright, so the way that I do this, I go ahead and mark the holes to see where my rivets are going to be at. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to forget what we're going to use. Oh, wait, that one. I'm going to use that one. That big one. Anyways, I marked it up. See what holes I'm going to use. And then that's when I drill them. And then once I drill, well actually I drill them. And then yeah, we mark it down over here. Like, how do you like this wide body, man? How do you like learning about this? You feel you need a wide body your BMW someday, Aaron?
Yeah.
You think
Real
so?
soon.
Alright guys, before I go ahead and time lapse this, I want you guys to know that this is my first time doing this. Full sends only. I'm kind of scared, but I'm doing it. And it's all about learning, right? Look at me go. Enjoy. Alright, let's see how these two come out.
Who's holding hell at you?
Woo! Hey, what do you think about the wide body kit, bro?
Fuck your wide body. Just kidding.
Oh yeah, see? That guy's gonna watch it, and this is the kid that was asking for sponsorship, right? Mr. Fender Flares.
Get this shit, bro. Oh my god, did you spend 5K on this? Welcome to the vlog, guys. Today we're putting the wide body. You know, you can see the gap right here. It's okay. You know, back here, you know, it's kind of off, but it's fine, bro. You know, doesn't align all that good, but who cares? Alright, if you look in here, we gutted this shit. So it's like, it's a bed now.
What's a bed? Alright.
If you look here, stock exhaust, you know the vibe. So over here we kind of fucked up, but it's gonna be wide body anyway, so who gives a shit? And we still need to wrap this bad boy. And see, I hit almost snow big last week and my fucking hood popped up. Can't fix it no more. I don't know what to do. Fuck. I just wish I got a Subi, man.
So far we got this front end and we got the other side done. I'll show you the front. Here, I'll give you a sneak peek. Ready? Ready? Oh, dude, it's not wide enough. Oh, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, start that side, and then we'll show y'all. Let's find out if this Subaru has a louder two-step. It's straight pipe, no? Two-step straight pipe STI. Let's hear it. We'll see what they have to say about that in the comments. What is up, guys? Lilo's back, and we're done with the wide body.
He's done with the wide body.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Took like 2 hours, huh?
2 hours.
Yeah.
As soon as he left, they came back. Literally, I finished. Just went to the store and bought some hosing for my catch can. But
looks pretty sweet. Looks wide as fuck. Wide.
wide.
Hella wide.
It's pretty wide, dude. Also, now that he's looking at it, seeing at the rivet side and molding side, what do you think, Lalo?
I don't know. I feel like more than I was thinking about it, I was just by myself in the car. I was like, damn, like molding it probably be like easier, probably look better, but like I don't know, like I feel like the rivets make it look more better.
Yeah. Kid, he watched our channel. You got an S4.
Oh, probably. I'm gonna get Edgar's car out of the garage so I can do mine inside. So I probably have like a day or two to think about what I actually want to do, but
we'll see, huh?
Yeah, I don't know.
So stay tuned, guys.
Tough. You know, I mean, you can rivet and then you can mold, you know, but you can mold or you can't mold and rivet again, huh?
Nah. Might as well, yeah, if you want, just see if you like. I mean, I can see it here.
Yeah, you can see it there. You know,
but it's kind of like not painted or anything, but yeah, that's what I always said.
What do you guys think? Rivet or mold? I don't know.
Rivet or mold for Lalo?
I don't know, because I like both, and you know, it looks sick, you know. The hardware makes it look sick, you know.
Huh, the right hardware.
What are we doing next time for the video?
Vlogging. Oh, we gotta fix Edgar's car still. We'll probably vlog that next time I go over.
Have money for
the flywheel, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Edgar got stuck.
Yeah, Edgar, he took out his shit and then found out that he needs a new flywheel. So might as well that he's under there. He should replace it. You know, he wants to be savage and just send it and put it back on, but it's gonna sound like shit.
Yeah, better to wait.
That's why it sounded like this.
Oh yeah, huh? Dude, it's probably his flywheel.
Yeah.
I fucked up. I'm messed up. It's all messed up. Anyways, alright, enjoy the cinematics. Hope you guys like it. It's just gonna be something small that I'm gonna do. And yeah, see ya. today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's gonna be the end of the wide body till we end up painting it. Honestly, you guys, I don't have plans on painting the car soon, and that's because the cold weather, it is kind of holding me back. But that doesn't really matter because I need to get wheels as well. I need to get wider wheels, as you guys can see, but that's all in the works. Hopefully anytime soon, sometime soon, I'll go ahead and have enough for some wheels, because I also want to do that big turbo, because you know that's the goal. Also, I do have something coming in the mail for you guys, so stay tuned for that. It is gonna be something that's gonna start the stage 3 process, so stay tuned. So guys, that's gonna be it. That's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this wide body kit install. Obviously we need paint, but that'll be in the future. Just stay tuned for more videos. Obviously we got more car parts coming in for this vehicle, as we do plan on going stage 3. So stage 3 process starts as soon as the mailman comes to my house with that new car part. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys liked the wide body install. We did it ourselves, and yeah, I couldn't be any more happier. Thanks once again, Fender Flares. Shout out to you guys. You guys made this possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep with the movement, guys, and stay lit, fam.